All right, Efren, thank you. A federal judge in Florida may approve a partial release of the affidavit supporting why the FBI decided to search former President Trump's Mar-a-Lago estate. During a hearing today, he signaled that the public should see at least some of that document.
And in New York, a top Trump organization exec pleaded guilty in a tax scheme, cutting a deal that could make him a key witness in a trial against the former president's company. Deborah Alfarone has more from Washington.
A federal judge in Florida is ordering the government to take steps to release the legal document that supported the warrant for the FBI search of Mar-a-Lago. Major print and broadcast media organizations, including CBS News, asked U.S. Magistrate Judge Bruce Reinhart to release the affidavit over the objection of the Justice Department.
Judge Reinhart seemed to have a very good sense that it is his job as the gatekeeper in this case to perform his function of balancing the interest in the public of accessing these materials against the interest in the government in keeping them secret.
The DOJ says making the affidavit public could serve as a roadmap to the government's ongoing investigation, chill future cooperation by witnesses, and harm other high-profile investigations.
They tell us that the investigation not just is at the beginning, but what they expect to do later on, why they think that the obstruction of justice statute was in fact violated.
The judge is giving the government until next week to propose redactions to the document and says he is not prepared to find the affidavit should be fully sealed.
In a separate legal battle Thursday, the former CFO of the Trump Organization pleaded guilty to 15 counts of fraud and tax evasion.
Alan Weisselberg is accused of receiving more than $1.7 million in off-the-books pay from the Trump Organization. As part of the plea deal, Weisselberg may be called to testify against the former president's company in a related trial. Deborah Alfarone, CBS News, Washington.
Well, the judge in New York did agree to sentence Weisselberg to 5 months in jail at Rikers Island and ordered him to pay nearly $2 million in restitution.